Yeah, I just finished my documentary on riding a bike, on riding bikes since I was about the age of 6. I was driving bikes since the age of 6, and I posted a couple of videos to get subscribers, to start a line of subscribers. I have about 2.7k views, and yeah, I'm just gonna go back in and tie the knot, and see if I can get a bigger one. I think I thought about getting a banshee. I thought about getting a banshee, and instead of the 250, and be posted. Your video predictions will be coming up on the